I wake up, and the first thing I do, before I even get out of bed, is check my balance. $0. Not overdrawn, not negative, just zero. Rent is $1,400, due in 30 days. I have nothing, and I'm already running the math. Here's what most people don't understand about having no money. It's not chaos, it's chess. Every decision has a cost, and when you have nothing, you cannot afford the wrong move. So you stop reacting, and you start calculating. I've got maybe a week of food if I stretch it. Quarter tank of gas. Phone bill auto pays in 11 days. $85. If that bounces, I lose the phone. And without the phone, I can't work, can't apply for anything, can't exist. So that's my actual deadline. Not 30 days. 11 days to have at least $85 liquid. 30 days to have $1,400. I'm not panicking. Panicking is a luxury. I'm making a list. I sort everything into 3 categories. Non-negotiable. Phone stays on. Electricity stays on. $130 a month. And if I lose power, I can't charge anything, can't work, can't function. Those 2 get paid first no matter what. Buy time. Rent. I call my landlord before he calls me. That's the rule. You never let them come to you. I tell him I'm working on it, I'll have something by the 15th. He's heard it before. He gives me until the 12th. I write that down. Let it bleed. Credit card minimum. $35 late fee. My score takes a hit. I know. But you can't pay a bill with a credit score. And right now I need every dollar for survival, not for a number on a report. So here's what I actually need. $85 in 11 days to keep the phone on. $130 for electricity before the shutoff notice. $1,400 for rent by the 12th. $1,615 in 30 days. From 0. That's the number. Everything I do from here is aimed at that number. I open Facebook Marketplace before I open anything else. Old Bluetooth speaker, $55. A winter jacket I don't need anymore, $40. A lamp, a desk fan, a pair of Jordans I haven't worn in 2 years, $30, $20, $65. I price everything 20% under market. I need it gone this week, not next month. If all of it moves, that's $210. Maybe half of it will. I pull up TaskRabbit and put in for every same-day gig within 10 miles. Furniture moving, yard work, junk hauling, anything that pays cash or same-day deposit. I submit for 6 gigs. 2 respond. 1 confirms. $140 for 5 hours of moving furniture across town. I don't negotiate. There's no leverage when you need the money today. I text 3 people I know. Not to ask for money. I never ask directly. I ask if they need help with anything. Cleaning, moving, driving, whatever. One needs help painting a room this weekend. $80 cash. Done. End of week 1. Marketplace moved $145 worth of stuff. TaskRabbit gig paid. Painting job paid. I'm at $365. I need $1,250 more in 23 days. The math is still alive. Barely. Day 10. I'm eating rice and canned beans. The pasta ran out on day 6. I've been hitting TaskRabbit every morning at 7 a.m. when the new gigs post. If you're not first, you don't get it. I've landed 3 more jobs. $130 total over 5 days. Day 11. Phone bill hits. I have $91 in the account. It clears. By $6. I exhale for the first time in a week. Day 14. A friend texts asking if I can watch his dog for the weekend while he's out of town. I would have done it for free before. I ask for $60. He says yes. Day 18. I'm at $680. I need $720 more in 12 days. I do the math every morning. Not because I enjoy it. Because if I stop doing the math, I'll miss something. And missing something at 0 means losing the opponent. Day 25. I'm at $1,190. I need $210 in 5 days. I list the last thing I have worth selling. A PS4 I've had since college. $110 on Marketplace. Gone in 2 hours. I'm at $1,300. 100 short. 4 days left. I call my landlord on day 29.
I have $1,300, not $1,400.
He says he'll take it this month, but he's adding the $100 to next month's rent. So next month I owe $1,500 before I even start. I say okay. That's the thing about surviving at zero.
You never win clean. You just negotiate the terms of how you lose and try to make sure you're still in the game next month. I sold everything I owned worth selling. I took every gig I could find. I ate rice for 3 weeks. And I'm starting next month $100 in the hole, with 0 in my account. Again. This is the bottom of the wealth ladder. We're covering every level, from here all the way up. Subscribe. Next level's coming.